In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a discount code on Acuity, your comprehensive guide for 2025. We'll start from the very beginning, navigating through all the necessary steps to ensure you can create a discount code easily and effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to acuityscheduling.com. This is where the magic begins. And you can start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. It's important to ensure you're on the genuine website to keep your information secure. Once you've made it there, your next move is to log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the site's homepage, so give that a click. You'll now be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username or email and password handy. Upon entering these details, you'll gain access to your Acuity account dashboard where you can manage your scheduling needs. Once logged in, look for the section marked Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions. This is the hub for managing various types of offers and sales incentives. Click on this section to move forward. Next, you'll want to click on the Coupons option. This will bring up a new page where you can manage existing coupons or create new ones. It's within this section of the site that you can craft a discount strategy specially curated for your business's offerings. When you're ready to create a new discount code, simply click on New Coupon for Packages. This action sets the stage for entering all the necessary details about your coupon. It'll guide you to a form where you can enter various specifics about your discount code. Now, it's time to fill out those coupon details. Start by entering a discount code name. This is what your clients will use at checkout. It's important to choose something catchy and relevant for easy remembrance. Next, decide on the discount type. Will it be a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount? Choose wisely and input the value accordingly. You'll also want to tailor the coupon further by selecting applicable services, setting a date range for which the coupon is valid, and establishing any usage limits. These options ensure that your discount code is effectively integrated into your greater business strategy. Once you've completed all fields and double-checked everything for accuracy, it's time for the final step, saving your work. Click save, and just like that, your discount code is ready for action. Now you can share it with your clients and watch as it enhances your business offerings. So there you have it, a complete guide on creating a discount code on Acuity. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing customer satisfaction and boosting your business. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.